Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do the USB Type-C display mirroring test in the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet. So this is a Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet which I'm going to use in this video for the demonstration. And the tab has got the Type-C display output support as well. And that's what I'm going to use in this video on my small TV which I got over there. So I'm trying to use a Type-C port to the directly HDMI port which is connected at this moment. As you can see, directly connected with the tab. And overall, with this kind of experience, I did not face any kind of lag or delay while doing this screen mirroring. And at this moment, the refresh rate will be locked at only 60 FPS. You can actually get the screen mirroring happening over there. And you can see the scrolling speed as well. As you can see, there's nothing much major lag is going on. And make sure to follow the playlist videos for more information on the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet. You can see so many videos which I did already upload on this Xiaomi Pad 8. You can check this video for the workstation type of setup. As you can see, there I did show complete workstation mode, how it actually works. And there's a full detailed videos as well. Always go through the playlist videos. And if you want to buy this Type-C to HDMI connected port, you can use my links also to buy. I'll try to keep in the playlist. But overall, this interface was like this setup was completely simple. So as soon as I connect the cable to the device, I'll try to show you the setup. You'll get the option saying that mirror to the external display. Click on that option. As soon as you click, the display will be mirrored over there. So as simple as it is. Now let's do the couple of gaming tests and let's find out will there be any kind of lag or not while doing the gaming testing. So if you want, you can connect the Bluetooth wireless keyboard and the mouse also. That also will give you definitely a good experience while using the keyboard and the mouse. So right now with this kind of small game setup, you can see it's kind of pretty smooth. I cannot feel any kind of lag or delay, nothing at all while gaming. Overall, it was kind of really very smooth regarding the gaming experience. And the display also works really fantastic without any kind of issues. And right now I'm going to play the 4K video. Let me need to go to the MX player and open my 4K video which is present. Let's try to play the 4K video and let's find out if there be any kind of lag or delay or not. You can see. So nothing much major lag or anything going on at this moment. Regarding the screen mirroring, everything works perfectly good. So if you lock the tablet, you cannot get the screen working. So it's not possible like that. And overall, there's a special mode which is available, which is called the Workstation mode. And this Workstation mode will give you the slightly better experience in terms of having multiple windows, like in the big screen. You can actually have that kind of really very good experience while watching the content. As you can see over there. So that's how useful it is in terms of the overall caching the content over there. Well, some multi-screen window. So Chrome browser over here. As you can see, guys, so multiple windows you can actually keep it side by side, and which works really fantastic. No issues with that. If you want, you can keep one more application as well. As you can see, all the three windows are working simultaneously. So in this way, you'll be able to get really very good experience. And if you do have the wireless mouse and keyboard, which is connected with the Bluetooth setup, which will be really pretty good choice, I would say. So I'll try to do another video on that topic. So stay tuned for that in case if you want to know more details on that particular topic as well, like wireless keyboard and the mouse setup and everything. I'll try to do very soon. And let's play some of the games and let's see will there be any kind of lag or delay while gaming or not. Let's try to keep in the full screen mode. So right now in the full screen completely I'm trying to keep, and now let's try to observe. So will there be any kind of lag or not? We'll try to see at this moment. Overall, the gameplay will be locked at only like 60 FPS while doing this testing. So you won't get more than that because of the screen mirroring. So that's something you should know about. So overall, till now it was kind of really very good experience while gaming and doing. I wish they could have included some one of the feature, like for example, if you try to turn off the screen button as well, you can still be able to use over there. That's how it should be there. Right now, it's just screen mirroring, like Samsung Dex kind of thing. We should be having that kind of interface even in the Xiaomi interface. That's what I'm expecting, but that's not possible right now. And right now, as you can see, overall the latency or delay, nothing much, like very smooth. Not even once the screen got freeze or anything happened. Everything was really fantastic most of the time. No issues. So it's a quick information, guys, regarding the overall testing, what you should know as well. In case if you have other questions, let me know in the comment section below. This so for the display output test in using the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet. And don't forget to use my links to buy the tab and any other products if you are interested. That will be really helpful for me. And meanwhile, signing off, thank you for watching. The next time I'll let you do the complete gameplay test as well in this kind of setup. So stay tuned for those videos. Until then, signing off and bye.